Operating instructions. Before using the heater, make sure that it is on a flat and stable surface. To activate the heater, first, turn the thermostat switch to the max position. Secondly, turn the knob to the fan position for cool wind. Turn the knob to low power position for the warm wind. And high power position for hot wind. To completely shut the heater off, turn all the switches off and remove the plug from the wall outlet when not in use. Note: do not force the knob beyond its normal stop position. Caution: do not place your hands in front of the air outlet while the heater is running to avoid burns.